Good morning, students. Welcome my channel Bullock's Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about the homogeneous differential equation. Today we are discussing about some problems related to homogeneous differential equations. Let us come and start some problems. Let down question number 1. 2y e to the power x by y into dx plus y minus 2x e to the power x by y into dy is equal to 0. So this can be written as dy will be divided here, this will be divided there. So dx by dy, this is in the sphere, dx by dy is equal to dx by dy plus y minus 2x e to the power x by y divided by 2y e to the power x by y is equal to 0. Okay, so this can be written as dx by dy is equal to 2x e to the power x by y minus y plus 2y e to the power x by y. First of all, we have to check this is a homogeneous differential equation. First of all, we have to check this is a homogeneous differential equation. It is mxy, it is nxy. So, write down, let fxy is equal to 2x e to the power x by y minus y divided by 2y e to the power x by y. Always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. Write down, always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. This is the first step of checking homogeneous differential equation. So this can be written as f of du tv is equal to 2 in place of x, that is tu e to the power tu divided by tv minus it is tv divided by 2 tv e to the power tu divided by tv. So this t cancelled with this t is taking common, this t cancelled, then t common, 2u e to the power u by v minus v divided by t 2v e to the power u by v. So this t cancelled with this t. So this is nothing but t to the power 0. Here it is f of uv. T to the power 0 f of uv. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Write down. So this is a HDE, homogeneous differential equation. This is of the type 2, dx by dy, mxy by nxy. So we have to put x is equal to vy. Write down. This is one special case. Put always x is equal to vy. Here we put x is equal to Vy. If dy by dx is given, then always put y is equal to Vx. But here in this case, dx by dy is equal to mxy by mxy. So we have to put x is equal to Vy. Once you take, means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to y. Dx by dy. Dx by dy, here it is v plus y dv by dy. Dv by dy. Okay? Dx by dy is equal to v, derivative of y is here, then y, then dv by dy. So now equation 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes, in place of dx by dy, we have to put this. And in place of x, we have to put Vy. So the equation 1 becomes v plus y dv by dy is equal to 2x. In place of x, it is Vy. Here it is e to the power Vy by y minus y will be remain divided by 2y. In place of x, Vy divided by y. So this y is cancelled. This y is cancelled. So taking y is common from numerator, so we get y taking common. So we get 2v e to the power v minus 1 divided by 2y e to the power v. So the term y on numerator as well as the denominator, they cancel to each other. Okay? Now we have to separate the variable. Here v, that will go to that side. Here v, that will go to that side. So we get, write out, we get y dv by dy is equal to 2v e to the power v minus 1 by 2 e to the power v minus v. Now taking LCM, we get 2v e to the power v minus 1 minus 2v e to the power v divided by 2 e to the power v. Okay, so 2v e to the power v minus 2v e to the power v cancelled. So the result is minus 1 by 2 e to the power v. So now we have to separating the variable. E to the power v multiplied here, e to the power v dv is equal to minus 1 by 2 dy upon y. You see here, variable separated. Write down. Variables separated. After variables separated, then you have to integrating on both sides. Write down. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. We get e to the power v dv minus 1 by 2 integration of dy by y. So integration of e to the power v dv, that is e to the power v, here minus 1 by 2 dy by y integration ln y plus we are applying the constant ln c. Okay, so now In place of v, we have to put x by y. In place of v, we have to put this. Okay? Write down the last step of question. E to the power, in place of v, that is x by y. Here we get ln y to the power minus half plus ln c. Okay? ln a plus ln b, that is e to the power x by y ln c y to the power minus half. So this is the answer of this question. That can be written as e to the power x by y ln c by root over of y. This is the answer of this question. Okay? This is the answer of this question. Now let us take another question for particular solution. Write down, this is very important question for particular solution. So write down question dy by dx minus y by x plus cosec y by x is equal to 0 given y of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this can be written as dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cosec y by x. First of all, we have to verify whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. For that, we have to take this is a f of xy. Write down, let f of xy equal to y by x minus cosec y by x. Always put x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. Write down, x is equal to tu, y is equal to tv. So that can be written as f of tu tv is equal to tv divided by tu minus cosec tv by tu. T cancel. This T cancel. That can be written as v by u minus cosec v by u. So this is nothing but t to the power 0 f of uv. When an expression can be expressed as f of tu tv is equal to t to the power na f of uv, at that time we say that it is a homogeneous. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Write down, this is HDE. This is a HDE. For homogeneous differential equation, always we have to put y is equal to vx, because this is in the form of dy by dx is equal to mxy by nxy. So always put, write down, always put y equal to vx, differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to v, applying product formula, v derivative of x is 1 plus x dv by dx. So now the equation 1 becomes, in place of dy by dx we have to put this Or in place of y, we have to put vx. So write down. So equation 1 becomes here it is v plus x dv by dx is equal to y. In place of y it is vx by x minus cosec vx by x. This x cancels. This x cancels. Now, v on left side as well as the right side, that will be cancelled. So now we have to separating the variable. Cosec v will be divided here. dv by cosec v is equal to minus dx by x. Variables separated. Remember, variable, write down variables separated. Once the variable is separated, then we have to integrating on both sides. Write down integrating 1 by cosec v, that is sin v, dv minus dx by x. Integration of sin v, that is minus cos v. Here it is minus ln x minus ln c. Constant I am taking minus ln c because this minus cancel. So now in place of v we have to put y by x. So we get cos y by x is equal to ln xc, ln a plus ln b, that is ln ab. Now put, it is given that y of 1 equal to 1, whose meaning is when x is equal to 1, here x is equal to 1, then y is also 1, whose meaning is this: when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So applying here, applying in 2. In place of y we have to put 1. In place of x we have to put also 1. Now we have to find the value of integrating constant. Okay, so that can be written as cos 1 by 1, cos 1. Okay, so here it is ln in place of x it is 1, so ln c cos 1. Okay, cos 1 ln, so that is here y equal to 0, y is equal to 0, here y is equal to 0, so it is cos 0, not 1, it is given y of 1 is equal to 0, y of 1 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. So we put y equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Cos 0 is 1. Remember, ln c. So when ln c is equal to 1, c is equal to e to the power 1. Okay, so putting the value of c here, we get the particular solution. Write down particular solution: cos y by x is equal to ln x into e. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so its meaning y of 1 is equal to 0 is given. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 0. Thank you to all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, likes my channel, share my channels.